Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this new video, we are going to learn how to add header and footer in MS Word document. Viewers, header and footer provide a way to maintain consistent formatting and information throughout a document or a set of document. For example, you can include the document title, author name, page number and data in the header or footer, which will automatically appear on each page. So if you want to add header or footer in your Word document, you have to go first in tab Insert. Click on this and you will find here are the options header and footer. Two separate options are available here. So if we want to add header, click on header and you will get different option, just as blank 3 column or alphabet or annual. So you can use, there are lot of templates which can be used for adding header. So I am clicking on this header and selecting this, and here you can type your text. So as we have already discussed that you can enter here date or document title or owner name, whatever you want to here. So I am typing here my name. So I have typed my name and I will close this header and footer section from here, and here you can see my name appearing on every page. Similarly, you can add footer by going in Insert tab and clicking on this button footer, and by selecting here I am selecting this, and suppose I am typing here company's name, say how to tech. So again, to save this I will close this header and footer section and save it from here. So you can see now it is appearing in the bottom as footer on every page. So this is how you can add header and footer to your document. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.